Shakas, hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today, sorry for the shaking, I'm here today with a quick little share. I am going to show you, I did receive this die here from BeebeeCraft. I'll leave the original unboxing here. And so this is one of the many dies that they do carry in their store. And this is how it cuts out. It gives you 5 little flowers that you just layer on top of each other, and they come out like this. So you can line up the petals. I think I did one of them, yeah. So you can line up the petals so it looks like this, or you can off-center the petals and then they look like this. So those are the different ways that they can show up. And I'm just gonna layer these, like it's very easy. I'm just using an eyelet. And I'm taking the small one first and sewing it through the eyelet. And once they're all on, I divide the eyelet prongs so that it secures on the flower nicely. And there you go. So easy, so easy, so easy. I have one more. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate the love and support. And the last one there. So then we're going to divide the prongs for the eyelet so it can stay securely. And there you go. And there's enough wiggle room that you can spin. Can you see? Okay, so you can see. I can still, you know, move around the petals to adjust them however I want if I don't want them all lined up. Or I can leave them all lined up. It's up to you. But yeah, so hope you guys are having a crafty day. Flowers that I made layering with different cardstock, different colors of layer. You can find more crafty videos here. And until my next video, shakas!